Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the secret to overcoming imposter syndrome, PLR. This is a new PLR product. It came out yesterday. I was busy and did not have a chance to get a video up prior to its release. As per usual, this will be an honest review video, not sales or hype. This is just my opinion of the product. There will be a link to the sales page in the description down below. If you purchase the product through that link, I will receive a commission. I like commissions, but I never want to see you buy a product that you aren't convinced is going to be a good investment for you. My goal is to help you build your path to an online income and achieve your goals. So, with that in mind, again, this is the secret to overcoming imposter syndrome, PLR. Now, I'll be honest, I don't really know much about imposter syndrome. And the beautiful thing about PLR is that I don't need to. I'm not critiquing the content of the writing of this product. We're just going to be looking at the content or the quality and the type of content you're going to get from this. All right. So from Sajan Elenthor and Justin Opay, I'm probably mispronouncing at least Sajan or Sajan's name. We're going to skip over a lot of the sales copy. Now, this one is important because I do talk a lot about PLR, and in particular, the self-help market is huge. It is evergreen. It has been floating around for decades and does not appear like it's going to be going anywhere anytime soon. So that's simply to say that I think as long as you're investing in quality PLR, as long as you're in something like the self-help market, you're going to have a difficult time not, this kind of stuff is going to sell well. People are always looking for things, and unfortunately over the last few years there's been a dramatic rise in the amount of mental health issues. So more people than ever are looking for self-help content. So we've got some, I think some decent graphics here. We're going to go down a lovely little picture here as well. Module 1, so this is going to be your primary product. Okay, so you're getting a 10,000 plus unique and updated training guide. So this is going to be your primary ebook. You're going to get up-to-date information, over 10,000 words. This is not a massive front-end product or a massive primary product. But over 10,000 words I would say in the 10 to 15,000 word range is probably standard for most PLR packages. We have looked at a couple of other ones lately that, I think there was one that came in around 60,000 or a little over 60,000, which is huge for, a PLR ebook. You're going to get chapter and subchapter images. So again, I think these are pretty decent looking. I've looked at a lot of this type of content over the last several years, and this doesn't look like something that somebody had a 12-year-old do on their home computer. It looks like something that somebody's professionally done. Cheat sheet and the mind map. I love cheat sheets and mind maps because they're great little giveaways that you can use to get people onto a mailing list. They're great lead generation tools. Resource report. This is going to be more for you, but again, you can figure out how you want to use that. Sales letter, thank you page, and again, what we want to look at too is I'm not going to zoom in. We can't just click on these, unfortunately, but we want to look at some of the images that are used on stuff like this, because obviously this is going to be using the same types of graphics and whatnot that is going to be inside. Sales video promo. Okay, so again, this is super useful. This is the kind of thing you can put up on YouTube. You can put it up on Facebook. You can put it anywhere, really, and people will watch that and go, "Oh yeah, I'm interested in this," and then they click on the video and kind of the goal of a sales video for PLR is usually to get people to realize that they are or are not interested in checking out whatever it is that you are trying to sell them. Legal pages is very important. Fully designed graphics. So again, the graphics here are important because you're presumably going to want to advertise and put up social media posts about this stuff. So between the graphics here and the banners here, and I think we've got one more, oh, that's e-covers, social media images here, this is going to be pretty much everything that you need to market this effectively online. Okay, it really should be, because most people, what they're looking for is it's not about the cleverly written article you've made. It's about the graphics and the title to catch their attention and get them to look at anything else. 10 high quality and unique articles. Okay, so these are not going to be massive, but they're each at least 500 words. Again, you can use this as additional content. If it's a paid membership site, you can basically read it like a script and turn it into videos. You can send them out as email content to, again, kind of get people's attention. The license pack. So this is what you're going to get. Now, there will be some one-time offers on this, and I'm going to look at that in just a second. We've got some bonuses as well. So PLR Masterclass. Masterclass is good because if you're trying to use PLR to build up an online business, obviously being able to use it better is going to help you. Sales funnel training setup, private label money machine. We've got a 30-day money-back guarantee. This is coming to you through Warrior Plus, and they will make sure that you're going to get your money back. I'm not going to read through all of this again, but this is a list of everything you're going to get. And the front end price on this really is pretty spectacular. It's coming to you for $10. Now, as we look at that, I'm just going to hop over. This is just a little bit from the JV page. This is just showing what is available through the one-time offers if you buy the front end. So one-time offer 1, usually if there's upsells on a PLR product, upsell number 1 is normally more content. So we've got 10 video tutorials, ready-made upsell page, sales video, affiliate page with swipes and banners, follow-up emails, giveaway report, professional squeeze page, training videos, more graphics, and the PLR license. The second one-time offer is a done-for-you sales funnel. So if you don't feel like building your own sales funnel, basically it's all there, set and ready to go for you. 3 is a done-for-you bundle. And again, you'll get lots of more information on exactly what is and isn't done for you. You don't have to buy all of these, by the way. If you pick up the front end, it'll offer you all of these one at a time. One-time offer 4, 250 high-quality videos. So this one, and I don't have prices on these, unfortunately, but this one in particular is going to be a really good one if you're looking to get involved in video marketing of this stuff. Or if you've got a subscription site, you've got 250 videos is a lot of videos. As somebody who's created a lot of videos over the years, 250 done for you videos is substantial. So, and again, you can do an awful lot with that. 10 hot lead magnet reports. Empire in a Box is one-time offer number 5, and 100 video infographics for 6. So some of these are going to be very, very useful to you as additional marketing tools or as additional content that you can profit from. Some of these are going to be more for, you know, either training for you or stuff that's done for you. So that's going to be up to you. I am going to recommend this. Again, I don't really know much about imposter syndrome, but I do feel like this is a product that has a lot of potential. Again, anything in the self-help market, and I think, as near as I can tell, this is basically people who feel like they're an imposter. And I guarantee you, if somebody's thought to write this stuff up to release as a PLR content, there's pretty good odds that there's going to be a lot more people than you would expect who are dealing with this right now. So self-help PLR always moves well. I actually checked out just how well this was moving on Warrior Plus this actually last night, and it's been moving pretty good. So that tells me that there's a lot of people who think that this has potential. So I would jump on this before too long goes by. Anytime you're dealing with PLR, the sooner you get moving on it, the better, because we don't want the market to be oversaturated when you get there. So anyway, I would give this a recommendation. Check it out for yourself in the sales page through the link down below. Like and subscribe to the video, and hopefully we'll see you guys back here again soon.